Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk of messages to all your leads and customers using Pabbly Chatflow. You see, you will be able to send such offer messages to your leads without lifting any finger or just by one click. So to do this, first we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser, and after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, from where I have to go towards this Pabbly Chatflow. Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now here I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can use a manual token to connect your Pabbly Chatflow to your WhatsApp. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Now we have to create a broadcast to send the bulk of messages to our leads. For that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to go towards this broadcast. Here we are landed towards this broadcast page. On the top you can see all these options: total broadcast, live broadcast, send broadcast, schedule broadcast. We have the status also: live broadcast, sent, scheduled, failed, stopped, and paused. So you can check the status of your broadcast from here. We have to create a new broadcast, for which we simply have to click on this add broadcast. We are landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this broadcast. So I'm going to first select the broadcast type. We have two options to select from: broadcast campaign and API campaign. I'm going to select it as broadcast campaign. You can select the broadcast type according to your requirement. Then we have this broadcast name. I'm going to name this broadcast as promo codes, and then I'm going to select the contact list. Now here I have one contact list. You can create more contact list according to your preference. If you wish to create a new contact list, if you wish to know how you can add new contacts, then we have a separate video available in the description for the contacts. You can check that video in the description below. So here I'm going to select this particular new list, and as I select the list, next I have to select this select message type. We have this pre-approved template message, and then we have this regular message. In the regular message, you have to enter the message, and you can see that message in this preview. Then we have this pre-approved template message. So I'm going to select the approved template. I'm going to click on the select WhatsApp template, and then I'm going to select the template, which is this promo code. Now over here you see we have this body field, and this body field is going to help us send personalized WhatsApp message. Now what you can do in Pabbly Chatflow, we have this dollar name. Using this dollar, we create custom variables, or we create a personalized message. Now it is appearing something like this, and this is going to get replaced whenever you get a new response or whenever a new message has to be sent. So I'm going to show you this in custom variable options. First I'm going to select this, I'm going to click on this done, and in this manner we have added this template. Now how you are going to create this custom variable? On the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have the settings. I'm going to open the contact custom field. I've landed towards this page, and over here you can see all the contact custom fields which I have. So using this contact custom field of name, I've simply copied this, and if I paste it over here, you can see it is appearing something like this: dollar name. So that's what I have done while creating this as a personalized message template. Next we have this username. So here for now I'm going to enter a dummy username, and then this is going to get replaced whenever there will be new phone number with a new username. Here I'm going to enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message when I click on the send test message. So let's test this broadcast once. I'm going to click on the send test message, and here it is, test broadcast send. I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and here it is, I have received this message: hi current user, we are excited to bring you a special limit time discount discount on our product and services. Take advantage of this offer and enjoy great savings today. So you see that this is the same exact template which we have selected in this broadcast, and we have tested it successfully. Now you can also schedule this broadcast. If you want to schedule this for later, you can simply select it as yes, select the date and timing. So from here you can select the date, and from here you can select the timing on which you want to broadcast. If you do not, you want to send it instantly, you can simply select it as no send instantly. I am going to schedule this. So let's suppose I am going to select 27, which is Monday, 5 p.m. So this broadcast is scheduled for 27th April, 5 p.m. Now I'm simply going to click on this add broadcast. And here you see broadcast created successfully. We have successfully scheduled this broadcast by the name promo codes, and the template message which we have selected was this promo code, and it has been scheduled to run on 27th April 5 p.m. So you see, you can check the status, and then you can check the status of the broadcast from the top options like I've told you before. On 27 April 5 p.m. this broadcast message will be sent to the list or the contacts we have selected in that particular list, or the multiple list if you have selected, or all the contacts you have selected. So this is how we can send broadcast messages to bulk contacts automatically just by simply scheduling the broadcast message via Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUBT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.